Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to deposit ERC20 Tether in the Traders Trust Broker. In the Funds section, you click on Deposit Funds. In this section, you select the desired wallet and click on Tether. In this part, you select the desired payment detail, and if you wish, you can register another payment detail by clicking on the option. Finally, you click on Continue. In this section, you enter the desired amount with a minimum deposit of $50, and note that the deposit and withdrawal address must belong to the same wallet. And finally, you click on Continue. In this section, you will see information about your deposit and click on Continue. In this section, we select the desired payment currency and we choose Tether, US. In this part, you click on USDT, ETH. You scan the specified barcode with your wallet, and if you wish, you can add this address to your wallet. And friends, to check your transaction history, you click on Funds and then click on Transaction History. In this section, you will see that this amount was successfully deposited. Good luck.